Let's harvest some more potatoes. So many potatoes. Plant's a little less dead this time because apparently last year I harvested too soon. This year I'm harvesting too late. I feel like this is correct. Please God, be correct. Okay, we're not pulling up any potato. Oh, okay. Baby potato, however, it's looking a bit green. It was right near the top of the plant and we're not allowed to eat green potatoes because they're toxic. However, no, I really thought potatoes were going to come up that time. Why am I standing? Oh gosh. This one is literally green. Okay, last one, last bit of hope. Man! Woo. Oh, by the way, I'm actually harvesting new potatoes. Is it new potatoes or baby potatoes? I think they're called new potatoes, but because I say baby potatoes whenever I get a small potato, I call them baby potatoes. Anyway, these are new potatoes. That's actually not that tiny. Like, it's kind of low-key supposed to be like only that big anyway. Potato! Yeah, boy. Ready? Steady. Potato! Wow! There's so many! Oh my God. I can't even explain to you how big that is for like a new potato. If these were normal potatoes, this would be like humongous. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look at what just came out. Wow. Huge. Oh, gorgeous. You are Britain's next top potato. Come on. Oh my God. Guys, there's so many potatoes. I'm gonna make potato salad. Potato gods have rewarded me for my patience. Look at the size of it. I actually can't believe the abundance. I can't wrap my head around the abundance. What? Soil's so muddy. It's so fun though. Every time I touch it, another potato falls out. Flippin' heck. Look, are you seeing this? Absolute plethora of potatoes. Rascal, you got to see this, bro. Oh my God, huge one. Camouflaged. Are you freaking kidding me? I want to thank the sun, the soil, and myself